driving down the darkest roads and up in the clouds.
Hello everyone, this is Yomi Brown of Yommycrochetlogy, and today we will be doing a crochet basic stitches. So I have here a scrap of yarn. I think it's a cotton yarn, yep, and a color orange, and a hook. It's 4.5mm hook, and our first stitch is chain stitch. This is a chain stitch. This is the name, chain, and this is the abbreviation CH, and this is the symbol, a hollow oblong. Okay, so CH for abbreviation, and this is used for written pattern, while the drawing is used for graphic pattern. Okay, so how to make a chain stitch. So let's get our hook and our yarn. Let's gather some yarn and wrap your yarn around your little finger and around the 3 fingers like this. Okay, and hold on to that using your thumb and middle finger. Now put the hook in front of the yarn, twist it like this, and pull it down, and again hold on to that. Then twist, and then put the hook in front of your yarn again like this. Okay, and do not let go of the yarn. Wrap the yarn around your hook, pull this yarn all the way to the back of this yarn here, this one. You have to pull it like so. Okay, and then you have to pull the tail, the one you're holding in your thumb, pull that to tighten the chain. Again, wrap the yarn around your hook like this and pull it through. So that's your first chain there. Okay, this is what a chain looks like. Okay, so that is count as one chain. Again, wrap your yarn around the hook, pull it through, 2 chain. Wrap your yarn around the hook and pull it through, 3 chains. Wrap the yarn around the hook, pull it through, 4th chain. Wrap the yarn around the hook and pull it through, 5th chain. Wrap the yarn around the hook and pull it through. Okay, so this is what a chain looks like now. It's longer. Wrap the yarn around the hook and pull it through. That's your 6th chain there. Wrap the yarn around the hook and pull it through. Okay, so as you chain your way, it gets longer. Okay, so wrap your yarn around the hook and pull it through. Wrap the yarn around the hook and pull it through. Usually chain is used as a foundation or beginning of a project like a hat. You can make it as a circle. So I have here a 13 chain stitches. Okay, so this is what a chain looks like. Okay, see, it's longer now. That's the name, that's the symbol, that's the chain stitches. Okay, our next stitch is slip stitch. So this is the name, slip stitch, and this is the abbreviation SLST, and this is the symbol, a solid oblong or shaded oblong. Okay, it has a color inside, or it's not hollow. So the abbreviation is usually used in a written pattern, while the symbol one is usually used in a graphic pattern or drawing pattern. Okay, so how to make a slip stitch? First is get the chain foundation that we made from the previous tutorial, and then what you're going to do is to connect your chain to the end. Okay, that's the purpose of slip stitch, to connect or to end the row. So insert your hook. First is wrap your yarn around your fingers, like so, and then find the end or the first chain you made, okay, that one there, and you have to insert your hook into that first chain like so. So you have to insert it there. Once you're inside in that chain, you have to wrap your yarn around the hook and you have to pull that yarn, okay, this yarn here, you have to pull it all the way to the end or into the second yarn in your hook, okay, pull it straight in here. So how to do that? Like this, just pull it and there you go. That is your slip stitch, okay? That's what slip stitch looks like, and you can tighten it. So usually it is used to end a row or to make a circle. See, it's a circle. So there are projects that starts with circle like this, okay? Or sometimes it is used to end a row or to finish a particular row. You have to slip stitch. So that's our second stitch. It's called slip stitch. That's all for today. Thank you so much and see you in the next crochet basic tutorial. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell button so you will not miss it. Goodbye.
I know we got something good.